Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Creating your list incentives. Now that you've got a clear idea what incentives you can offer for your list, the next step is to come up with incentives that will position your list for success. Now there are two main ways to do this. You can pick one from the list we gave you and run with it, or you can simply do what your competitors are doing. Sign up to see what they're offering and study the materials. Try to figure out where there are strong points and weak points and come up with something better by offering the same strong points but covering the weak ones. But how do you produce that better lead magnet? Here's a couple of ways. You can offer an incentive that's more complete. In other words, when you study your competitor's free gift, you might notice they're holding back on certain pieces of information. They might be offering really basic information, and the thing you deliver truly solves the problem that your customers have. Offer longer content. If someone is offering a free booklet that lists, say, 10 solutions to potential issues, then offer a booklet that offers 20, 30, or even 50 solutions. The key here is to come up with an ethical bribe that's so huge on face value that people can't help but sign up. If you can offer an incentive that is more engaging than most, then you're also onto a winner. Don't fill it full of jargon and complicated phrases that no one will know. Release something that's written at a plain 8th grade English and actually engages people. This sort of thing will blow everybody else away because your stuff is much more accessible. Another way is to offer basically the same sort of gift as your competitor, but package it much better. When people read the same information but it's formatted in a lovely PDF with lots of helpful pictures, everything's written in a well-spaced and well-formatted way, people will get the impression that you have done a better offer, even though you're basically offering the same sort of information. Now, all of these ideas are not telling you to copy your competitors. You just take what they've done and use that as inspiration. The next step is to design a better page to give away that incentive. Again, take a look at your competitors. This will come in handy. But you do need to try and come up with a squeeze page that will blow everybody else out of the water. But how? Well, come up with a better design. Maybe everybody is using the same standard design, and you can come up with something that has different elements in it to get the visitor to engage with the page. Maybe other marketers are just assuming that the people who land on that page are going to sign up. So just come up with a squeeze page that shines a spotlight on different things. Make it more efficient for your offer. You have to remember that the people are always asking, what's in it for me? You have to answer that question loud and clear, and the value that you bring to the table must be compelling enough that people want to leave their email address. Now, the vast majority of list marketers automatically assume that when people sign up for their list, they're going to welcome all of their updates as well. And this is why most list marketers fail. You can't assume this, and there will always be a certain percentage of your visitors that are going to be list squatters. If you're not careful, this percentage can keep growing and growing until they form the majority of your list. You have to make sure you emphasize the value of your updates that you will be sending, and you have to do this right before they sign up on the squeeze page. You should also do this on the confirmation page that they get to, and tell them they're going to be getting very useful updates. Do yourself a massive favor and emphasize the value of the updates to your list, because this is the only reason why we're giving out this freebie in the first place. They're looking to establish a relationship with you, and they want to give you permission to continue talking to them. Another great benefit of email marketing and using thank you pages is it enables you to offer different incentives on each page. When people load your content, you can include an ad, and when they read the ad and see the value, they may then click. You should also try and qualify people based on interests, as different people with different needs will sign up to different lists. This segmented email marketing approach can lead to higher conversion rates. Instead of just dumping everybody who's interested in a wide range of problems into one general mailing list, you use highly filtered lists. Then you can offer laser-targeted solutions to each of these lists and walk away with better conversions.